Don't laugh at her. Get her toy and make her laugh at it. Hmm? Oh, you gonna go bowling? Go get the ball. Michaela, that's not how you bowl. Get your pins. Get your pins up. Get bowl. You guys set your pins up. That's not soccer. See, Sissy? Stop. Hey, Molly. Molly. Say thank you for my toy. I love it. I'm going to eat it. I'm going to eat my new toy. Does it taste good?